How is your heart? Is it painful? May pinagdadaanan ka ba? Mabigat ba ang puso mo? Are you still trying to heal from some hurts? One thing about the heart is that hindi siya pwede parang magic lang na mawawala na yung pain or okay ka na bigla or naka-move on ka na. The heart needs to heal and healing is a process. But you know what? Hindi magsisimula ang proseso ng paghihilom kung walang acceptance. Yes, mahirap i-accept ang mga bagay-bagay. Maaring matagal ka na sa denial stage na hindi ka makapaniwala na nagkaganyan. Pero pray for the grace to accept. Accept that things may have not gone the way you wanted it. Accept the mistakes that you or the people have done. And of course, find in your heart to forgive. To forgive yourself and to forgive others. Kasi pag di natin to ginawa, patuloy na magiging mabigat ang ating puso. And it will affect your health. At baka hindi mo na napapansin, medyo masungit ka na, madaling magalit. I pray that your joy may be restored, that you may find peace in your heart, and that your heart may be full of love, so full that you can serve others and share the joy in your heart. Itaas mo yung puso mo sa Diyos. He knows what to do with it.